Welcome children. We have seen the first method of integration is integration by substitution. Now let's see the second method, integration using partial fractions. This method is applicable to integrate all rational functions of the form p of x by q of x, where p of x and q of x are the polynomials of x and q of x is not equal to 0. If the degree of p of x is less than the degree of q of x, then the rational function is called proper. But if the function is improper, then the degree of p of x is reduced. By dividing p of x by q of x, we get t of x plus p1 of x by q of x. So this table indicates the types of simple partial fractions that are to be associated with various kinds of rational functions. If a rational function is in the form of px plus q by x plus or minus a into x plus or minus b, so it is written as a by x plus or minus a plus b by x plus or minus b in partial form. If the rational function is in the form of px square plus qx plus r by x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, or x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, so it is written in the form of a by x plus or minus a plus b by x plus or minus b plus c by x plus or minus c in the partial form. Let's see some of the exercise questions based on this rational function. Exercise 7.5, integrate the rational functions. So x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So let I equal to x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx. So it is a rational function which is in the form of px plus q by x plus a into x plus b. So we have to write this in partial fractions. So a by x plus a plus b by x plus b, where a and b are arbitrary constant. So integral of x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx, which is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2, where a and b are arbitrary constants. So I am writing this rational function in a partial fractions form. So taking LCM, we get a by a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 whole by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So it's x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So cancelling this, so x is equal to ax plus 2a plus bx plus b. So I am combining the x terms, so which is equal to a plus b into x and the constant term separately plus 2a plus b, which is equal to x. Now we have to find the values of a and b. Here equating the coefficient of x, I have 1x which is equal to a plus b into x, that is a plus b equal to 1. Again equating the coefficient of constants, so 2a plus b, here we don't have any constant which is 0, so 2a plus b equal to 0. Solving these two equations, changing the sign, b will get cancelled, so minus a which is equal to 1, that is a equal to minus 1. Now we have to find the value of b, substituting a in the first equation, so minus 1 plus b which is equal to 1, so b equal to 2. So we get the constants value a equal to minus 1 and b equal to 2. Now we have to substitute in this form and have to integrate it. So writing a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2 as integral of a is minus 1, so minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx plus b is 2 2 by x plus 2 into dx. So this is nothing but a minus of log of x plus 1. So x plus 1 as t, differentiating this we get dx as dt. So this is minus dt by t. So this one also 2 into dt by t. So we can write this as minus of log t is x plus 1. So log x plus 1 plus 2 into log of x plus 2 plus c. So which is equal to minus log of x plus 1. So plus log of x plus 2. So power 2 plus c. That is m into log x is log x power m. So which is equal to log x minus log y is log x by y. So log of modulus of x plus 2 whole square by x plus 1 plus c. First we have to see if it is a rational function. So we have to use this rational function, convert it into a partial fractions form. So a by x plus a plus b by x plus b, which is equal to the rational function. Then we have to take LCM, then equating the coefficients, finding the arbitrary constants a and b, then substitute in a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Then we have to integrate this and we get log of modulus of x plus 2 whole square by x plus 1 plus c. Fifth question, 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2. So let I equal to integral of 2x by x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx. So this is in the form of a rational function like px plus q by x plus a into x plus b. We have to factorize this, x square plus 3x plus 2. So the product is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. When you multiply, the product is 2. When you add, the sum is 3. So x plus 1 and x plus 2. So when we factorize this, we get two factors, x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. We have to write this in this form, a by x plus a plus b by x plus b. So taking LCM, a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 whole by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So cancelling these two. So 2x equal to, multiplying this, we get ax plus 2 plus bx plus 2a plus b into 1 is b. This is a constant term. Here we don't have any constants. So 2x plus 0. So this ax plus bx, we can write this as a plus b of x. Now equating the coefficient of x, a plus b, which is equal to 2x. We have the coefficient of x is 2. So a plus b equal to 2, and the constant term we have 0. So 2a plus b equal to 0. So changing the sign, solving these two equations, cancelling b, minus a, which is equal to 2. So a equal to minus 2. Substituting this a in first equation, we get minus 2 plus b equal to 2. So b is 4. A is 2, minus 2, and b is 4. Now we have to substitute this constant value in this form. Then we have to integrate this. So integral of 2x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx, which is equal to, a is minus 2, so I have written as minus 2 by x plus 1 into dx, plus b is 4 by x plus 2 into dx. So when we integrate this, we get minus 2 log of x plus 1 plus 4 log x plus 2 plus c. So which is equal to, So minus log of x plus 1 power 2 plus log of x plus 2 power 4 plus c. So log x minus log y is log x by y. So I'm writing this as log of x plus 2 whole power 4 by x plus 1 whole power 2 plus c. Sixth question. Let I equal to 1 minus x square by x into 1 minus 2x dx. Since the integrand is not proper, that is, we have an improper rational function, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So multiplying this, x into 1 is x into minus 2x is minus 2x square. When we divide this, so minus 2x square plus x into half. So we get minus x square plus half into x. So cancelling this by changing the sign, x square will get cancelled. Then we get 1 minus half x. We have to write this in a mixed fraction, that is half plus minus half x plus 1 by minus 2x square plus x into dx. We have to integrate this. So separating this, so half of dx plus integral of minus half x plus 1. So I'm writing this as x into 1 minus 2x, x into 1 minus 2x dx. So which is integrating dx, we get x, half x plus I1. Let's integrate I1 separately. Resolving the integrand into partial fractions. So minus half x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 2x. So we have two different factors. We are writing this as a by x plus b by 1 minus 2x. So which is in the form of this rational function. So taking LCM, a into 1 minus 2x plus bx by x into 1 minus 2x. Cancelling these two, we have to find the values of a and b. So minus half x plus 1, which is equal to a into 1 is a minus a into 2x. So minus 2ax plus bx. So equating the coefficient of x, so b minus 2a, which is equal to minus half, and the constant is a equal to 1. Substituting a equal to 1 here, b minus 2, which is equal to minus half. So b equal to minus half plus 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus 4 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. So a is 1 and b is 3 by 2. Substituting a and b here, a is 1, so 1 by x dx plus b is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 of dx by 1 minus 2x. So dx by x is log x. Here 1 minus 2x, we can use substitution method. We can take this as t. So minus 2 dx, which is equal to dt. Dx equal to minus dt by 2. So we can write this as 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 integral of minus of dt by t, which is minus 3 by 4 log t. Here t is 1 minus 2x. So we can write this as minus 3 by 4 log of 1 minus 2x plus c. We have I equal to half x plus I1. So we found I1 as log x minus 3 by 4 log 1 minus 2x plus c. So writing this, I equal to half x plus log x minus 3 by 4 log 1 minus 2x plus c. question number 3, the next form of rational function, that is px square plus qx plus r by x minus a, x minus b into x minus c. When the three factors are given in the denominator, so we have to write the partial fractions form a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c, where a, b, c are arbitrary constants. So I am writing this factors as a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Then have to take LCM. So a by x minus 1, so multiply by x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 and x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 and x minus 2 whole by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, cancelling these two. Now we have to find the values of a, b, c. Put x is equal to 2, so this term will become 0, so a into 0 plus b into 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus c into 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, so c will become 0, which is equal to 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, so minus b, which is equal to 5, so b equal to minus 5. Then put x is equal to 3. When you put x is equal to 3, then a will become 0, so a into 0 plus here also 3 minus 3 is 0, b will become 0 plus c into 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, which is equal to 3 into 3 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. So 2c equal to 8, c equal to 4. Then we have to find the value of a. Put x is equal to 1. So c and b will become 0. We have to substitute here. So a into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2, which is equal to 1 into 3 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So minus into minus plus, 2a equal to 2, we get a equal to 1. So a is 1, b is minus 5 and c is 4. Now we have to substitute this in the rational function. Otherwise we can find this by multiplying these two factors and equating the coefficient of x square, x and the constant term. So substituting this, a is 1 and b is minus 5 and c is equal to 4 here. So integral of 1 by x minus 1 dx minus 5 into 1 by x minus 2 integral of dx plus 4 into integral of 1 by x minus 3 dx. So which is log of x minus 1 minus 5 log of x minus 2 plus 4 log of x minus 3 plus c.